Hybrid cameras are perfect for content creators who simultaneously shoot everything. There are many hybrid cameras out there. Some can take better photos and some shine in the video department. As the market is heavily saturated with the continuous release of new hybrid cameras, you may become confused about what to choose. Today, we're going to recommend the 5 best of both worlds, aka hybrid cameras that you can buy in 2023. A7R5 has the same 61 megapixel sensor as its predecessor, but with the help of the newer processor from A1, A7R5 can now shoot videos at up to 4K 24 to 30 FPS in full frame. The R5 is also the first 8K capable camera in the A7 lineup, which can shoot 8K 24p with a 1.2 times crop. Its new 4-axis multi-angle 3.2-inch LCD screen's tilt-flip mechanism is impressive and fully articulating. There's also a new menu system and internal 10-bit S-Log2/S-Log3 color sampling across all the video modes, which are great for tonal reproduction and post-production flexibility. A7R5 is capable of real-time recognition autofocus with 7 different selectable target types. This new AI processing uses deep learning that dramatically improves subject recognition. Additionally, its 5-axis image stabilization is unique to any A7 camera that features IBIS up to 8 stops. This image stabilization combines a high-performance gyro sensor with an optimized algorithm for more precise shake control. On paper, the specs may look flat, but Sony has retained the throne for the best hybrid cameras with A7R5. Coming up next, the X-H2S is all about that speed inside and out. The body weighs around 660 grams only. You'll find a typical PASM dial to control all shooting modes and buttons, while its 3-inch LCD contains a sharp, bright and vari-angle display, which works very well for stills and videos. Fujifilm designed it for sports and wildlife shooting, so the weatherproof body and the top LCD to show and change the primary setting come in very handy. The X-H2S has a brand new 26 megapixel APS-C sized X-Trans CMOS stack sensor, the first stack sensor from Fujifilm backed by the latest X-Processor 5 image processing engine makes X-H2S capable of shooting 6K at 30 FPS and DCI 4K at 120 FPS in 4x2x0 8-bit internally. You can shoot in 4x2x2 10-bit externally via HDMI and with longer recording times of up to 240 minutes. The X-H2S can shoot at 40 FPS with continuous phase detect autofocus and auto exposure when using the electronic shutter, making it the fastest APS-C camera ever. The body also includes 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which provides up to 7 shutter steps of this compensation for stills. This is a new attempt from Fuji to innovate stack sensors, and this successful venture makes the X-H2S a worthy contender on our list. The Panasonic LUMIX GH6 is a hybrid camera geared toward video, focusing on a high resolution of 4K. It offers features such as 4K 120 with no reduction in quality, internal 5.7K ProRes, unlimited recording with active cooling, pro-level assist tools, full vlog, and support for anamorphic. The camera also has excellent built-in stabilization and a unique screen mechanism. Upcoming firmware updates promise additional capabilities, such as 4K 120 RAW over HDMI and recording to external SSDs over USB-C. However, the camera's contrast-based AF system may not be ideal for smaller or single-person setups, and some may prefer the potentially lower noise of a larger sensor. Overall, the GH6 is a highly desirable camera for demanding videographers, offering a feature set that's unparalleled for its price and can confidently take on more expensive rivals. Still, it's important to consider which features are essential and which downsides can be overlooked or worked around. All in all, it's one of the best hybrid cameras you can get right now. The new Canon R6 Mark II has a new 24.2 full-frame CMOS sensor, which is neither BSI nor stack. But this new sensor is very much more capable and is a worthy upgrade over the EOS R6. It can shoot up to 12 FPS with its mechanical shutter and can boast up to 40 FPS with its electronic shutter. Its body has some cheeky changes from its predecessor, like the power button is no longer on the left side. Instead, there's this new photo video mode dial. Besides these, autofocus is improved and can track the human eye, animal, and automobiles. R6 Mark II can now shoot up to 4K at 60 FPS full frame, and there are no video recording time limitations, so you can shoot as much as you wish. It uses the same image stabilization as the R5 and R6, and from all these minor tweaks and upgrades, we can assume Canon focused mainly on the sensor upgrading and took the other good features from R6 and R3. Its video capability and still shooting power have made the R6 Mark II a worthy contender on our list. And finally, we have the Sony Alpha 1, a high-end mirrorless camera which is still the favorite choice of professional photographers and videographers. It features a 50-megapixel full-frame sensor allowing incredibly detailed and high-resolution images. The autofocus system is top of the line with 759 phase detection points and 425 contrast detection points, providing precise and accurate focus. The Alpha 1 also boasts impressive video capabilities with the ability to shoot 8K video at 30 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 10-bit 4x2x2 in-camera recording. It also has advanced features such as real-time eye autofocus for video and S-Cinetone color science, which provides a cinematic look to the footage. The camera also has a built-in 5-axis image stabilization which helps you to minimize camera shake and produce smooth footage. Moreover, the Alpha 1 is compatible with a wide range of Sony E-mount lenses, providing a diverse range of optic options. The Sony Alpha A1's high-resolution sensor, advanced autofocus system, and impressive video capabilities make the A1 a powerful tool for capturing stunning images and footage. So this was a list of best hybrid cameras in 2023. Do you agree with our list? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below.